Hello everyone, it's Rita here, and I'm going to do, I think, a short video. We'll see, depends how things go. But this is kind of like a one-page wonder that I just came across a YouTube creator, and I have her name somewhere. It is World, WHIRLED, World Peas, PEAS00, and she has a little over 1,000 subscribers. So if you get a chance to go over and check her out, I'll put her link in the bottom in the description. Okay, so it's super simple. I'm using double-sided paper just because I had it printed. So you're going to fold it in half. And I don't think I've ever seen this done before. And this might have been one that Kathy sent me to. Okay, then we're gonna, now she went over a little bit, and I don't think we need to, but I'm gonna hope for the best here if I don't go over. I'm just gonna pull those down. Okay, so we've got it in 4 sections. This is going to go in the signature. So even though there's a crease there, you don't have to worry about it because it will be in the signature, I believe. So here we're going to fold this corner in, and this corner. I don't know if I've ever seen, I don't think I've ever seen this done, but it could be out there beside her video. It came up in my feed, but you know, she had, I think, 5,000 views on it. And yeah, you wonder how that happens. I've had it a couple times where I had lots of views and I didn't understand how did I get those. All right, I'm just going to put a little glue and just to seal that down. In fact, I'm just going to go on these edges and not even bother going over the whole thing, wasting glue. This is 8.5 by 11 sheet paper, in case I didn't mention that. So I hope everybody's good today. My videos yesterday were, I couldn't get them to, I couldn't join them together. So I had an editor on my phone that, or on my iPad actually, that I can edit from. No, it's on my phone. But I think it takes up, they must have updated or something, and that's what's taking up all my memory. So I had to take it off, and then I downloaded another one that is, I think Google has it, and I couldn't figure out how to combine two videos. I thought I could, but nope. Okay, so I had to do them separate. Alright, so now we've just got that. How cute. Now we're going to fold this in half, like this. Here and here. And that makes a pocket here and a pocket here. And if you sew this into your signature, you could add more pockets on here, or you could use, well, you want the pretty paper to show though. Yeah, because if I use this side, then this wouldn't show. So you want pretty paper, but maybe you can use something that's easier to write on. you know. Okay, then to close this, all you do is have a little piece of ephemera, like here. Thought I could put that little teacup because it sort of matches. Let me put a little ink on it. And these little things were from Hobby Lobby. I think it's, you know, they're on sale. All right, so we have to kind of, we can't glue the whole thing down, so we can only glue down like from the middle there. And you could always tuck, you know, glue it down a little bit and then go back in and kind of go underneath it enough to make sure you're not getting glue. So you're closing this little envelope. Yeah, see, this part could use some more here. Okay, and then on this side, you're going to do the same thing. So, I thought I could put that there, or this little heart. I could do it this way. That would be on the other side. On a completely different page. I wonder how that would look. What do you guys think? I think that doesn't look right. It's the V part. I think that looks fine. So I'm just going to glue that onto there. It's just enough to hold those pieces together here inside. So you could probably just put washi if you wanted to. Okay. And you could embellish this even more, whatever you wanted to. Whoop. Wait a minute, that's not good. Oh, that's okay, I guess. Yeah. Thought I did it upside down. Of course. So then I found this little digital sheet that I hadn't cut out in my little stash. And so I just laid it down on top of some cardstock and sewed around the whole page. It's advertisement for threads and things like that, so I thought it would be okay for this journal, because it's all about crocheting, stitching. Wish I could find something that would be, you know, for showing yarn and things like that. I don't know, there's probably an image with, if I went to, I don't know, I didn't see anything when I went to look for a digital. But yeah, I didn't glue it down, I just glued it to this kind of parchment paper. It's cardstock though, but with the parchment fill. And that can go in that one. Sometimes I print things on regular paper by mistake, and I don't want to throw them away because I know I can just mount them onto cardstock. So there's that little card in there. And then of course you would put one on this side, which I'll do another time. But let me show you how it looks in the book, or in the pages. So if you wanted to go, let's say between those pages there. So it would be like that, and then you would just keep going and you come up on this side and have more pocket space there. I just thought it was so simple. And you know, I've never imagined doing it, or I've never seen anybody do it. So I hope you guys like that. You could, you know, decorate all you want here and there. Put a piece of, maybe I'll put a piece of lace on these cards so they can you know, just bring them out, slide them out with, or something like that. Could put something like that. I feel like this journal is going somewhere else. It's not going to the crochet, but I hope it does. This one I finished. I think I showed you this. I'm not sure. This one I finished. The journal card, yes, I made those yesterday. I have this one here too, the tag, and then I got these little girls, and I'm so disappointed because I could have brought her foot down just 1/8 of an inch, and the top of her hair would not be cut off, but oh well. And then this one here is just simple. I just put a sticker on it, and need to do something with that side. Need something over this. So little by little, I'm getting there. Okay, I could show you one more time how to fold it if I need to here. I have a piece of paper, that is. I'm getting ready to make the wedding journals. Oh, that's a whole page. These papers are from the Journal Boat. I think it's called Sweet Pink or something is the name of the digital, but it's kind of, oh, I gotta do it in half. Okay, so you're gonna fold it in half. Just do this portion again, and then we're gonna fold it in here. I'm gonna fold it up to the line. Now she folded it over the line, and the other one she folded over that one, and I don't think it's necessary because of the way you close these by putting that tab there. It's not like you have to glue down the whole thing. Okay. It's so cute. I love this paper. So I'm gonna do, I asked my friend, her wedding dress is obviously white, or maybe not obvious, but yeah, it's white. And her flowers were a mixture of pastels. And the girls in the wedding, they all wore pastel dresses, and I think they all carried daisies. So the Journal Boat has, and I've already purchased those before. I don't think I've ever used this pink one. And there's also a yellow, and I think a blue or yellow and, I don't know, springtime or something. But so I thought I would do each one of them a different color. Do that. And how cute is that? You could just put a little round disc there. You could put a label across there. What do I have? Anything? Probably not handy. with my new arrangement. This is my granddaughter's arranged my craft room. So now I have 2 chairs and the TV, and then we took a bookcase from another room and divided the room in half with the bookcase and wallpapered the back. And now I have my table going this way and my chair here, and then I have a bookshelf over here. And we ended up putting the 2 chairs back to back on here next to that window and the TV, and I put a table over here. It turned out cute, so cute on the pictures, but I'm so proud of her. She's just very good at that, decorating. She takes after her grandma. Oh, let's see. I was thinking maybe I had something. It's not a very cute bird, but you could do like a bird right there, and that would seal it shut. So I'll have to find something more appropriate. I think one of these flowers would look nice. Just cut one of those out. Cute. All right, so I said it was going to be short, and that's pretty short, but I can't, you know, there's not much more you can do. I thought that crease was going to be in the, what did I do with the other one? I thought this crease was going to actually be in the, put it, I don't even know what I did with that, the other one. There. Well, this just doesn't show. So maybe if you don't want to have a crease going across there, I think you could probably just fold it. Maybe you could just find the center before you fold it and then just put a couple little marks. And this, let me see what this measures, because I started with 8.5 by 11, and because I did it on borderless, so I know it was the full. So it's 5.5 wide and 4.25. So this section here is just going to give you some measurements here. From the center is like 5.5. So if you wanted to, you could just mark it 5.5, mark it 5.5, and then just put the folds on these parts and not across there. I mean, it's not that much. I'm not concerned about it, but if you didn't want them, that's what you could do. I think those are so stinking cute. Okay. Oh, yeah, I'm not going to mess with the sticker, because sticker's pain. Yeah, I just don't have anything handy right now to lay down on there. So, well, there's 2 made. I mean, you could mass make these with all your leftover digitals that you know, even if the backs were they're white or cream color or whatever, your printed side would be definitely noticeable. I made one to test. Just, this is the one that's folded over. And I just don't see a reason. And she glued this down. But then she decorated right here, so I'm thinking, well, just decorate it and that'll hold that together. It's not going to get that much wear and tear. So, all right, guys, I'm going to let you go. Thanks for joining me, and have a good day tomorrow. Well, or today. And I'll see you soon. Oh, and vote. Bye.